Hi, I'm Coach Pav, and welcome to this demo of how you can change the methodology of your training and truly customize your training experience. So one of the really cool things that we do here at HumanGo is we expose the methodology that's driving the training plan that Hugo is creating for you. And not only that, we allow you to customize it. So if you want to see a slightly different plan, we make that easy for you to do. To get started, let's click View Goals from the home screen, and then scroll down to the next goal, which for me is an Olympic distance triathlon. Then click the 3 vertical dots in the top right of the goal card and view phases. Now we're going to scroll down to the phase we want to edit. So we're going to do this base one now in the middle, click edit. Now if we scroll down, you can now see for each individual sport exactly what is planned and what duration, in both minutes for the regular and long workout, but also as an energy distribution. So obviously if we want to change the duration, maybe I want to do longer. And this could just be because maybe I've got another A event coming quite soon after with a longer run, which isn't being taken into account. I can also go down here and maybe I wasn't really wanting to see any threshold. I can remove that. Finally, at the bottom, you'll see we've got tags. Now with tags, when you're building or editing workouts, which you can only do on the web app currently, you can tag certain workouts that you want to see. For example, I'm just going to say that I've tagged workouts called PAV, and I want them to occur one time every 1 week, so once per week. So the planner's going to try to fit these in. So when you have this level of customization, you have to be really careful about what you're doing. Some extreme examples would be me putting in that I want to see all of these different tagged workouts, but the planner not being able to pick them because you're not satisfying any of the other information. For example, I can't have 5 run workouts every week if I only have 3 run workouts scheduled as a maximum. So you would need to go back and you'd need to change this. Similarly, there are hard constraints around the maximum amount of time that you can do per week, per zone. For example, if you put in 1 hour per week of VO2 max, you're not necessarily going to get it. However, as you go through all of this and customize it, Hugo is going to do Hugo's best in making sure it satisfies what you have put in. So playing around with this is exactly how you would customize and optimize your training experience. Thank you for watching.